In this video, we talk about improving your timing as a beginner in West Coast swing. Hey gang, Brian B, Miss Emily. We're here in Arizona watching spring training baseball. And in baseball, they say that hitting is timing and pitching is messing up timing. And a lot of us struggle with the transition of when the music comes on, our timing goes away. So here is my favorite drill to improve your timing as a beginner in West Coast swing. First thing is I want to think about the dance in 2-beat increments. So we're going to practice tap steps first. We're going to tap 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're going to progress that into triple steps. So we're going to triple 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Now here's where the magic happens. Emily's going to continue with her tap steps. I'm going to do triple steps. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And then an even slightly more advanced one, we're going to roll on 1 and land our weight on 2. So it's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So no matter which combination of those we do, we're going to land on the correct foot. So that is my favorite drill. We'll spin you back around. That's my favorite drill for improving your timing. Now, I have a pretty in-depth blog post on the website that has 3 keys, everything from counting the music better to thinking about the downbeats and upbeats to a little bit more in detailed description of this drill. So you can click on the link in the top right corner somewhere over here. Also, if you're really digging into musicality as a whole, in the description below I'll put a link to our musicality course. It's called the Ultimate, that's the first baseman. It's called the Ultimate Guide to Musicality for West Coast Swing. It's in the description below. If you guys have any questions, shoot me a comment in the comment section below, and we will see you guys on the dance floor again soon.